President Emerson Mnangagwa addressed war veterans in Harare on Friday during the Third War Veterans National Assembly, reassuring them of his administration's commitment to their welfare amid ongoing unrest within ZANU-PF. Saladumenda mashoko nemapromises waita gore mutungamiri wenyika achiti I care for you. Mnangagwa achiudza maWar veterans vanogone vanhu panguva ine vachiti aiwa anogona ari manyepo or kujitwa kuda kuitwa maWar veterans panguva ino panokwanisa pane chaos muzanupf subscribe like on the bell kuti ipinda muna mubudani kwamchinzi. Speaking at the assembly held at ZANU-PF headquarters, Mnangagwa emphasized the party's readiness to navigate regional challenges facing liberation movements. We must be conscious about the challenges facing liberation movements in the region, and we say we as ZANU-PF are ready. We are going to witness several developments on our liberation sites as we continue to honor them, he said. Mnangagwa also called on war veterans to intensify grassroots mobilization in the preparation of the 2028 elections. Going forward, as we are now focusing on winning resoundingly the 2028 elections, as war veterans, we must scale up our grassroots mobilization, he added. On matters of welfare, the president highlighted the government's initiatives aimed at supporting war veterans and their families. To secure your welfare, I have set up a ministry to fulfill constitutional obligations to honor you. The Second Republic remains committed to honor you. I introduced the Presidential War Veterans Fund to empower your household income, distribution of tractors under the War Veterans Empowerment Fund has begun, Mnangagwa said. The address comes as ZANU-PF continues to experience internal tensions, with the party observers noticing that the presidency outreach to all veterans is intended to reinforce loyalty and maintain stability within the party ranks. Domashoko buda panguva ino chinoka kunzi aiwa panapa these war veterans vanenge vakuva bribed panokwanzi mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino is locked aiwa mumapower crisis. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Muna comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.